Hi, I'm Tim Goodfellow for FF News, and we're here at Money 2020 Europe in Amsterdam. And I'm pleased to be joined by Matt Barclay from BVNK. How are you doing today, Matt?
Very well, thank you.
Are you enjoying the conference?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've got quite a big team out here this year, 15 of us, and exhibiting for the second time, but been super impressed in the way in which it's been organized and having a fantastic time so far.
And could you please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your role at BVNK?
Absolutely. So my name is Matt Barclay. I'm the CRO at BVNK, basically heading up all commercial operations for the business.
And could you maybe explain about what's the kind of the main value that you provide to your customers, your clients at BVNK?
Sure. So BVNK is a B2B payments platform focusing on delivering value to customers at the intersection between crypto and fiat. So effectively, our platform allows merchants to seamlessly interact between digital and fiat currencies, accept crypto payments, and also make same-day settlement cross-border payments in more than 60 different markets across the world. We also have an embedded offering, which allows us to remove all of the complexity around crypto payments for regulated financial service providers, effectively allowing them to then offer digital assets to their end customers in a fully regulatory compliant way.
Oh, great stuff. And what's coming up for you this year for the company?
So, we believe that the first generation of fintech unicorns was built on top of traditional infrastructure and payment rails. And the second generation is going to be innovating and changing those rails. So that's really the category that we want to play in and be a market leader. We're really laser focused on three different things. Firstly, geographical expansion and building out our product infrastructure. Secondly, deepening product capability, obviously to meet our customer demand. And then thirdly, delivering on our licensing roadmap, which will allow us to become a highly regulated and licensed business operating in the traditional payments and crypto space.
Great, so an exciting year coming up for you. And in general, perhaps, obviously you may have covered this, but what are the kind of biggest opportunities and exciting areas in fintech that you see currently?
So I'm probably a little bit biased. I think like blockchain payments and on-chain payments represents a massive opportunity. Naturally, what you can probably see in the fintech space is a lot more choice for customers. If you take a look around, like the innovation that's happening across the space is super exciting. I also think that tokenization of assets is a really interesting space that we've got our eye on at BVNK. And then probably a well-needed resurgence of RegTech, regulatory compliance in light of, I guess, what's happened in the last 6 to 12 months from a crypto perspective is very top of mind. So I think it's definitely an interesting space to watch.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, 100%. And just finally to wrap up, we're here at Money 2020. What are you looking forward to seeing for the remainder of your time here?
Really, it's just for us about building relationships and networking with like-minded individuals. We're obviously a new payments company entering into what's obviously a massive and exciting space. So yeah, looking forward to what the next 2-3 days has to offer.
Yeah. Well, I hope you have a great rest of the conference, Matt, and thanks for talking to us today.